this is Eula from Peppermint IT, and here's your tech tip for today. Add it to your New Year's resolutions. In fact, you shouldn't be waiting for New Year's to implement this. Here's how you should add two-factor authentication on your Instagram account.
Here's how you do it. Open Instagram, go to the menu with 3 lines, go to Settings and Privacy, Account Center, Password and Security, and two-factor authentication. Select your profile and choose Authentication app. It's safer than SMS. Or if you want that, that should be fine too. And then just follow the prompts. You will be prompted and you'll be guided to set up an authentication app, and in this case, we use the Google Authenticator. If you ever get suspicious emails from Instagram saying that someone tried to log in, don't click the links. Go to Settings and Privacy, Security, Emails from Instagram, and you'll be able to verify what they actually sent.
That's it. Share this tech tip with your friends and family and help them in case they haven't already. See you at the next tech tip.